Title: AI-powered HMIS dashboard using 3D, 4D, and 5D visualization. Author: Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Executive Summary. This handbook presents a multidimensional AI-powered model designed for hospital management information systems, HMIS. Developed by Dr. Pradeep K. Suri, the system leverages 3D, 4D, and 5D data visualization using Plotly to empower hospital administrators, clinicians, and AI engines with real-time, actionable insights. 1. Introduction. Traditional HMIS dashboards often fail to represent emotional, financial, and clinical data in an integrated way. This AI-enhanced dashboard introduces a new paradigm merging patient care, operational efficiency, and emotional well-being through visual intelligence. 2. The need for multidimensional AI in healthcare. Hospitals operate in complex environments involving patients, care staff, resources, and financial pressure. The ability to visualize multiple data dimensions at once can reduce time to decision, improve patient outcomes, prevent overload on facilities, enable predictive planning using AI. 3. 3D view, operational flow. Dimensions. X-axis, day of observation. Y-axis, recovery index, patient improvement score. Z-axis, available beds. Purpose. This view provides daily insights into hospital performance, helping identify recovery trends and available bed patterns. It supports planning for discharges, admissions, and bed rotations. 4. 4D view, vital signals and emotional state. Dimensions. X-axis, heart rate. Y-axis, blood pressure. Z-axis, recovery index. 4th dimension, size/color emotion score, scale of 1 to 10. Purpose. This view combines physiological and psychological states. It enables doctors and caregivers to monitor emotional distress alongside vitals, bridging care with compassion. 5. 5D view, AI decision support for hospital strategy. Dimensions. X-axis, day. Y-axis, recovery index. Z-axis, treatment cost, INR. Color, department, example ICU, surgery. Size, emotion score. Purpose. This view provides a complete note of intelligence: time, outcome, cost, emotion, and department, serving as the foundation for AI-driven decisions and resource allocation. 6. Implementation tools. Python 3.x. Plotly library, for 3D/4D/5D visualization. Pandas for data handling. Optional, integration with HL7/FHIR APIs. 7. Use cases. Stakeholder use case. Doctors monitor vitals plus mental state. Hospital managers forecast beds and recovery trends. CFOs align cost-performance insights. AI engines perform clustering, alerts, and anomaly detection. 8. AI-driven benefits. Improved triage and care optimization. Emotion-aware recovery plans. Resource prioritization using real-time insights. Enhanced patient experience and retention. 9. Designed by Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Architect, 3D, 4D, 5D AI DNN engine for cross-domain intelligence. Mentor innovator healthcare AI pioneer. 10. Closing note. This 3D, 4D, and 5D AI-powered HMIS dashboard demonstrates how intelligent systems can mirror the complexity of real-world healthcare and simplify it into actionable intelligence. It is a step forward in the journey toward AI-enabled, human-centered hospitals. 11. Comment from PhD mentor. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri's work on multidimensional AI visualization is a milestone in healthcare innovation. The 3D, 4D, and 5D dashboard not only enhances decision-making but also bridges clinical data with human emotion. This visionary model reflects true interdisciplinary intelligence, and I am proud to mentor such transformative research. Professor Anirudh V. Rao, Chief Guide and Visionary Advisor, OpenAI Institute for Advanced Neural Systems. Thank you for watching the video.